Good evening. You're watching ATTV. Today's news headlines. 3-day nature guide training program commences at Pakke Tiger Reserve. Seijosa, June 24, 2025. The Pakke Tiger Reserve today launched a 3-day nature guide training program at the West Bank Conference Hall in Seijosa, aimed at empowering local residents from Finch villages with crucial skills in ecotourism, wildlife guiding and nature interpretation. Scheduled from June 24 to 26, this unique initiative is being led by Sri Satya Prakash Singh, IFS Divisional Forest Officer of Pakke Wildlife Sanctuary and Tiger Reserve. The training falls under the Forest Department's When Samvaad initiatives, which promotes community-based conservation and sustainable livelihoods. Participants will receive training in areas such as wildlife guiding, bird identification, ethical ecotourism practices, hospitality, and marketing of traditional crafts. The session also includes practical field experiences at Jalinala inside the reserve, offering hands-on exposure to nature-based tourism. The inaugural session was attended by the key officials including Mr. Talo Dibo, Range Forest Officer of Rilo Wildlife Range, Sri Satya Prakash Singh, DFO Pakke, and Dr. Panjit Basumatari, Manager and Head of CBRC West Bank, Seijosa. A team of renowned experts has been brought in to conduct the training. This includes Dr. Rajan Kumar Das, renowned ornithologist and IUCN Red List member, Sri Anirudh Chauji, noted ecologist and natural trainer, Sri Ramesh Kumar Gogoi, retired DFO of Kaziranga National Park, Sri Bitupan Kolong, senior guide from Northeast India. Over 40 local youths and community members are participating, reflecting growing interest in conservation-linked employment and sustainable tourism. Officials at Pakke Tiger Reserve hope this program will empower local communities to actively contribute to ecotourism and environmental protection, while also fostering a sense of ownership and stewardship for region's rich biodiversity. That's all for now, and keep watching ATTV for more stories that matter.